zone in the wrong direction on a one-way street. He'll probably get 20 years for this. Aha, gotcha. Parking next to a fire hydrant in a no parking zone in the wrong direction on a one-way street. He'll probably get 20 years for this. Sorry, Dib, I saw it first. It's everyone for detective, too. Important factors in crime detection is catching a criminal. There is no substitute for alertness. Keep your eyes peeled at all times. Aha, gotcha. Parking next to a fire hydrant in a no parking zone in the wrong direction on a one-way street. He'll probably get 20 years for this. Aha, gotcha.